morning, I'm John Milikowsky, and I'm founder of Milikowsky Tax Law. Today we're going to be talking about the PPP loan and what happens if the loan is forgiven. What happens next year when you have to file a tax return for 2020. So if you receive the PPP loan, everybody knows there's a requirement that 75%, no less than that, has to be used for payroll and other benefits associated with wages and employees. And then no more than 25% can be used for rent, utilities, other associated expenses, even interest. So what happens next year? If your loan is forgiven this year, if you qualify, you submit something to the bank and the bank agrees that your loan is forgivable, whatever expenses were paid with the PPP loan funds cannot be deducted on your tax return that you file next year for 2020. The reason is because when you receive the money in, the money is considered a loan and non-taxable. If the SBA later determines that you are eligible for forgiveness, that's free money. So normally when loans are forgiven, the IRS would conclude that that is a discharge of debt income and it's a benefit that you receive that is subject to tax. But what happens next year? So next year when you report those expenses, you're going to have to eliminate or not include on your tax return anything that was paid with the PPP to the extent it was forgiven. So hopefully this was helpful for you. Make sure you keep track of your expenses this year. And this is still a hotly debated issue right now. There's potentially a new bill that's coming into Congress to try to maybe overturn that. But this is precedence the IRS claims is applied in different areas of the tax code. Hopefully this was helpful. I'm John Milikowsky, founder of Milikowsky Tax Law. Please tune into our YouTube page. And if you have any questions, as always, feel free to call us.